Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video, and today I'm featuring such a tool that is seriously more like hugely useful for the composer, music composers, and anyone in general with music who want to learn chords, progression, and all. Okay, now this is not a learning tool. This is specifically, I would say, this is a composing tool. Okay, and I don't know about like anything like this ever existed before or not, but I don't know why anyone haven't think of it. And the usability of it that you're gonna get from it, it's really awesome. It's seriously awesome. Okay, let me just share the tool with you and discuss all of its features because it excites me a lot, to be honest. So let's get started and let's see what we have today. I'm seriously speaking, you gonna love it. So here we are at songmind.io, huh? And here you can see there is a tutorial over here which you can see. Okay, and I would say obviously go through the tutorial because this is specifically not a tutorial video. I am just featuring this platform. So basically you can see you have a piano over here, though you can't play it. Okay, nothing is happening over here, and I have selected C major scale over here, and I am in root notes right now, and I have selected the fourth octave. Okay, and it sounds like this. I don't know if you can hear it or not. Let me just bring that mic closer to the PC, then you will be able to hear that. Okay. Now this may be not the best sounding keyboard or instrument, whatever you wanna say, but it is the most useful that I can say for sure, because as you can see in main chords, in say major scale main chords, I have like a main chords, I have secondary dominant, I have modal interchange or minor. Okay, so I have those three things. Okay, and actually you can control all of this with your keyboard. Okay, I am totally controlling it with my keyboard right now. One, two, three is basically those things, and actually those are mapped over here as well. As you can see, one, two, three. Though this is QWR, yes, QWE, and this is ASD. So if I play ASD, minor chords are playing. Okay, now you have every single note, every single, not every single scale, but every scale over here. I don't know, I am not I am not someone who can who is like totally fine with music theory, so I don't know about that. मेरे को कुछ नहीं पता. Okay, I am a novice. Yeah, I I am total dumb in these things. Okay, so I would not talk about it, but yeah, you have those skills. It have a note selection as well. Like if you're gonna go for root notes, open notes, Z's notes, so those are here as well. And another thing that you can set over here is not just piano. You can select piano chords that will be displayed in all of them. You can select guitar chords that will also be displayed here all in all of them, and you can select fretboards. So whenever you are playing, you can see it over here, right? Which chords it will play, and even if it's not yet like not like enough for you, you can actually select every note and change it. Okay, you can select every note, like every three notes, like here not every three note here in C major. Let me change it to root note because that's what I know. Here when I'm playing, it is playing three keys, right? And I can even change those keys to whatever liking I want to use. Like I can go to power, I can go to like drop, and I can see like I can uh, choose anyone between like plus one root, maybe plus root, or maybe negative, inverse. Actually they call it inverse. Yes, minus one. Inverse, I don't know. I am all again saying I don't know about those things. I literally don't know about those things. So I'm totally dumb in those things. So, but it is a great tool. I loved it. That's why I am sharing it. Now, you may think that okay, this is okay, but it is only useful inside a browser. I can't use it in DAW. So if I can't use it in DAW, what's the use of it? Just to compose a music? Actually, not. You can use it in DAW. Here you can see a media option, right? And if you click on it, it will ask for the permission to access media device from here. Here you can see I have accessed it, and from here on you can connect it to your DAW. Seriously, you can connect it to your DAW, and simply you can play it with your keyboard and record the sound in your DAW. Actually, okay, whichever DAW you are using, you have to just key map that and you're all good to go. You can do that actually. And you can obviously whichever instrument that you have in your DAW, you can play it through it. So how great it is, right? Whoever had made this have put his heart and soul into it, because making something like this with this much of effort and this much of mm, thinking that goes into it, this much of passion that goes into it, I can seriously see from his work that he is someone who actually love music and love take as well. Seriously, like kudos to him. And a tool like this, which is available for like totally free, there's actually no price point to it. Seriously, kudos to him and respect to that man who have built this. Okay, like you can see there are tons of tools in music industry that cost a lot, but this is something serious that he have made totally for free for public use. I am like, I have a huge respect for that people right now. Okay, not people, maybe one person. Okay, and you can see him in his videos as well. Not you can't see his face, but you can like, see his channel over here. So this is a tutorial also basically. Huh. And you can, yeah, okay, it they have named it song mine. I am seriously loving this, to be honest. And what else? And one thing you will notice, whoever use Ableton Light, yeah, whoever use Ableton, you can see this like looks and feel like a lot more like Ableton as well. Okay, and I have seen he uses this particular DAW over here. It is Ableton's, I think. Ableton he uses. That's why I think he have made something like this. But it's really great. It's really great. So that's it. That's it for this video. I know many of the music lovers or whoever is into the music, or maybe the music teachers who wanna like, teach their students music, gonna use it for sure. Because yeah, how easily you can learn scales from here. Just have you think of it, how easily you can uh, choose some scales and like uh, learn about chord progression, learn about different type of notes and all, like even in guitar fretboard as well. So that's seriously awesome. That's basically it for this video. And अगर ये मैं नहीं दिखाता ना, like I would have been so really so guilty for it if I haven't like showcased it. I'm seriously loving it and having a huge respect for the person who made it. So that's it for this video. Let me know if you know some great, seriously, like mind-blowing tools like this. I would love to share it with you in my future videos and use it myself. Though I don't know much about those things, still I this is kind of a like interest of mine. So I used to uh, fiddle around a lot, but I am nowhere near a expert or not even a like a beginner in it, to be honest. So that's it for this video. If you like this video particularly or like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Comments down below which part do you like the most or whichever not, and share it with your friends. I know that whoever loves music, like share it with their musical friends or the persons who is involved in music. Please share this particular video with them because they're gonna love it for sure. So that's it. Bye for now.